Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Zone. I'm your Sophia, and today I'm here with Omar. We're so happy you're listening, and today we're talking about a topic that everyone in the world can relate to: the weather. It's simple, but it's one of the most common topics in English conversations, and you will use it every day. So today, let's practice how to talk about the weather in natural English, how to describe it, how to ask questions, and how to use the weather to start friendly conversations.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us again. Weather is something we all experience: hot, cold, sunny, rainy. It affects our mood, our daily plans, even the way we speak. And for English learners, weather is one of the easiest ways to start a conversation. If you don't know what to say, just talk about the weather. It always works.
Absolutely. And today, we're going to take you deeper than just it's hot or it's cold. We're going to help you use natural expressions, simple vocabulary, and real life examples so you sound more confident and more fluent. So let's begin with a question I love. Omar, how's the weather today where you are?
Today, it's actually very warm. The sun is shining, the sky is clear, and it feels like a perfect day to go outside. Not too hot, not too cold, just comfortable. What about your weather, Sophia?
My weather is totally different. It's cloudy and a little windy. The sky is gray and it looks like it might rain later. I actually like this kind of weather. It feels calm and it makes me want to drink a warm cup of tea.
That's the interesting thing about weather. It changes from place to place, and it changes our mood. When the weather is sunny, people usually feel happy and active. But when it's rainy or cloudy, people sometimes feel sleepy or relaxed. And talking about weather is a great way for English learners to practice describing their feelings too.
Exactly. Let's practice some simple ways to talk about the weather. For example, instead of only saying it's hot, you can say it's really warm today. It's boiling outside. It's super sunny. And instead of it's cold, you can say it's freezing today. It's chilly outside. There's a cold breeze.
Yes, and you don't need complex vocabulary. Simple words are perfect. For example, sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy, stormy, humid, dry, warm, cool. If you know these words, you can talk about weather in almost any situation.
Omar, I want to ask you a fun question. What type of weather do you enjoy the most?
I love cool weather when it's not too cold and not too hot. I like when there's a light breeze. I feel more productive in that kind of weather. How about you?
I love rainy weather. I know many people don't, but I enjoy the sound of rain. I find it peaceful, but I know for some people, rainy weather makes them feel sleepy. And that's something else English learners can talk about: how the weather makes them feel.
Yes, for example, this weather makes me feel relaxed. This weather makes me feel tired. This weather gives me energy. Or I feel lazy today because it's raining.
Great examples. Now let's practice asking questions about the weather. Because conversations are not only about speaking, you need to know how to ask. Some simple questions are: How's the weather today? What's the weather like there? Is it hot or cold? Is it raining? Do you like this weather? Very simple questions, but very useful.
And when you're traveling or meeting new people, talking about the weather is a great way to start a conversation. For example, imagine you meet someone new. You can say, "Beautiful day, isn't it? It looks like it's going to rain. Such nice weather today." It's friendly, natural, and easy.
Right. And weather is also a good way to continue a conversation. You can say things like, "What do you usually do on sunny days? How do you spend cold winter days? Do you prefer summer or winter?" These questions help learners practice speaking more.
Let's actually try a mini conversation about weather to show learners how easy it is.
Okay. Omar, how's the weather today?
It's warm and sunny, perfect for going to the park. What about you?
It's cloudy here. I think it might rain later.
Do you like rainy weather?
Yes, I do. It makes me feel relaxed. What weather do you enjoy the most?
I like cool weather with windy air. It makes me feel good.
See? Very simple conversation. Anyone can do it.
Absolutely. And we can go deeper. Many people need to talk about weather when making plans. For example, if your friend asks you to go outside, you can say, "I can't go today. The weather is too hot. It's raining heavily. Maybe we should go tomorrow. It's a beautiful day. Let's go for a walk." Weather affects our plans every day.
Yes, and sometimes weather changes quickly. You can practice using sentences like, "The weather is getting colder. The rain is starting. The sun is coming out. The wind is getting stronger." These are great phrases for daily English.
Also, weather expressions are fun. For example, it's raining cats and dogs, meaning it's raining heavily. It's a breeze, meaning something is easy. A storm is coming. It can be used literally or metaphorically.
Those idioms make your English sound more natural, and they're easy to learn because they're connected to something everyone understands, the weather.
Let's ask the listeners something. If you're listening right now, think about your weather at this moment. How would you describe it in simple English? Even if you're shy, just try. Say it out loud.
Yes, speak it. Don't worry about mistakes. You can say, "It's sunny. It's hot. It's cold. It's windy. It's raining." The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
Another helpful tip: try checking the weather forecast in English every morning. Just open your phone, choose English, and listen or read what the weather will be like today. This will help you learn new words and practice understanding.
That's a great idea. And also try describing the weather in simple sentences every day. For example, today is warm and bright. Today is cold and gray. Today I need an umbrella. Small habits like this make your English stronger.
Sophia, I want to ask you, what weather is difficult for you?
Hmm. I find extremely hot weather challenging. When it's too hot, I feel tired easily. What about you?
For me, very cold weather is difficult. When it's freezing, I don't like going outside. But that's the beauty of weather. Everyone has a different preference, and it makes a great topic for conversation.
absolutely. And I hope that after listening today, our learners feel more confident talking about the weather in English. It's simple, it's useful, and it's a great way to start speaking with people.
Yes. And remember, practice is everything. The more you talk, listen, and describe your weather, the better your English will become.
Thank you so much for listening to English Podcast Zone. I'm your Sophia.
And I'm Omar.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English every day. We'll see you in the next episode.